मैं शुरू करना चाहूँगा बात ये इससे कि मुझे लगा था कि मैं, क्योंकि शाहिद भाई हमारे दोस्त हैं और मैं हमेशा उनके टूवर्ड्स बायस रहूँगा, लेकिन कलेक्शन देख के मैं वाकई कहना चाहूँगा कि इट्स रियली नाइस, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली वेयरेबल एंड कुछ ऐसे कलर्स होते हैं जो देख के आपको लगता है कि शायद ये इंसान कैसे पहन सकता है, लेकिन इनकी जो क्राफ्टमैनशिप है, इनकी जो क्रिएटिविटी है, जिस हिसाब से ये बनाते हैं, तो वो देख के कपल आपको लगता है कि ये नहीं, ये कलर भी शायद नहीं पहन सकते। तो ये शाहिद आमिर की यूएसपी है।
आप अभी नया डिजाइन पहनने वाले हैं?
हाँ, मैंने बहुत सारी नीचे ऐसी चीज़ें देखी हैं जो मैं फुर्सत में इंशाल्लाह आऊँगा, और डेफिनेटली मैंने दिमाग में रखा है कि मुझे क्या लेना है।
शायद ये बताइए कि आज न्यू कलेक्शन जो लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो मेन इसमें क्या कलर यूज किया, कौन सा फैब्रिक यूज करने वाले हैं?
मैंने बहुत सारे नेचुरल फैब्रिक्स यूज़ किए, जैसे मल्स, भागलपुर, और काफ़ी कलर्स का एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, जैसे गुलाल पिंक, ऑरेंज, ब्लू और रेड। वैसे आई एम क्वाइट एन ऑफ वाइट एंड ब्लैक पर्सन, बट आई हैव एक्सपेरिमेंटेड विद कलर्स दिस टाइम।
ये जो आपने अभी बोला गुलाब पिंक, तो ये मेल के लिए कैसे सूट करेगा?
वेल, अगर आप देखो तो सारे मेल जो बर्ड्स हैं वो फीमेल बर्ड से ज़्यादा रंगीन होते हैं, जैसे पीकॉक। तो रंग, वी आर अ कंट्री ऑफ कलर्स, तो रंग तो किसी पे भी सूट होता है, एक माइंडसेट होना चाहिए।
अभी आप बहुत जल्द फिल्म के लिए फिल्म कर रहे हैं, जिसके लिए आप डिजाइन करने वाले हैं।
हाँ।
तो उस फिल्म का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, किस बात से आपको लगा उस फिल्म के लिए आप डिजाइन करेंगे?
वेल, जो फिल्म मैं कर रहा हूँ वो फैशन से रिलेटेड नहीं है, वो टाइम से रिलेटेड है। इट्स द गैंग्स ऑफ 1985, जो हाजी मस्तान, दाऊद इब्राहिम जो बॉम्बे से निकल चुके थे, उस टाइम के का प्लॉट है। तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बिकॉज वो मेरी जवानी का प्लॉट था एंड मैं बहुत लोगों से मिल चुका हूँ, उनके गैंग से सहमत हूँ। सो आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग डूइंग दैट फिल्म। थैंक यू।
This is also fab, huh?
I love
Sir,
Fab. This only I'm going to pick up. It's mine.
yeah. Sir, sir.
पूरी फिटिंग दे रहा है
You have to put this on.
But fab is the new stuff you got, like the suits.
Yeah. Dad, you have to meet Joel.
He's doing better. More energy.
Sir, get the one picture here. Please.
Man,
Chalo.
these are like- that's just lovely.
Oh, nice.
This is your signature.
Sir, Tommy Kaka.
Sir, please.
Sir, here. Sir, here. Tommy Kaka.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sir, here.
Yeah.
Right, sir, here.
अच्छे लगे कि नहीं यार?
हाँ, एकदम मस्त है।
जेम्स बॉन्ड है।
आपके यहाँ तो जच
चलिए, शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
Your muscle.
Fuse certain, Western elements with, Indian elements. I think that just really cuts it for me. And at the end of the day, it's whatever you wear as a man. I think it's all about the cuts. You can wear a really bad-looking T-shirt, but if it fits you well and it falls through like a hanger, it's just that's the key to a good suit. So I mean, Shahid's not just a designer; he's a tailor master himself. So not many of those around.
Yeah, sure. I heard that you know him from quite.
Thank you.
So, what's special this Diwali?
What's special? I think just the fact that you can spend it with your friends, your family. A lot of people you don't get to meet. They come over and you just have a great time and do all the things that people do on Diwali. Bleep, beep, 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 beep.
So, you're bursting any crackers this time?
Yeah, of course, for the kids, I mean, they love it. They love to see all the noise and the colors and the rockets go up in the air, but of course from a really safe distance. But yeah, I think the kids, they have a ball. My wife, she decorates the Diwali diyas with them and paints them and does all that little embroidery on them, which is great for the kids because they really enjoy doing all of that. And yeah, I mean, Diwali is just like when you hang out with your pals. Yeah, I mean, that's the best part about it.
That's amazing. Just wish all our viewers happy.
Well, wish all you viewers out there a very, very happy Diwali. May it be prosperous, may it be safe, and may it be a great new year for all of you all out there.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks.
And also, just tell me, how did you find Shahid's collection?
I told you that so many times.
tell you all, I must give you all a bit of trivia. When I had just newly returned from Boston and graduated and come back and had no clue whether I'd be part of the film industry, I used to do advertising just for a laugh. And there was a very famous soap called Jay Soap, and they were launching a lime version for it. And Shahid had designed my clothes for it. We went on to do Fair and Lovely and numerous ad campaigns at that time. I never realized that one day he and I would actually work together and, you know, as a costume designer for someone who could be a star in the future. But he was so amazing and he gave me so much attention and never made me feel like I'm just a nobody. And he made me feel like a star even then when I wasn't. And his collection is unique, it's very special, it's very contemporary, it's suave, it's got something for everyone, for the people, the men that want to take a risk and be stylish and show off their good bodies, as well as the people that want to play it sober. And Shahid is also designing the clothes for Desi Magic for Zaid, and I must tell you, he's done a fantastic job. Zaid, I think, has never looked better than he is in Desi Magic, so I'm very proud, and I want Shahid to be a permanent friend first and a permanent designer for me always.
Amisha, talking about your collection which you have worn today, so tell us something about that. What is it and who has designed this?
Well, my belt is Valentino, so I can't lie about that because it's flashing its label. I'd love to say Shahid. And my shorts are Tory Burke and my shoes are Jimmy Choo. But the shirt concept was something that Shahid has had his input on. So, thank you.
Which actor or person whom you know would you recommend Shahid to design?
Everybody, I think there is no limitation for Shahid's creativity, and he is someone who will mold himself to the physicality and the needs and the characters of the different actors and make each of them look different rather than clones of each other. So they should all give Shahid a try for sure.
Amisha, tell us something about your movie Desi Magic. When it's going to release?
Well, it's going to release in the first half of next year. This is my maiden venture of Amisha Patel Productions, and I'm very proud to say that it's going to be one of the most universal films after a long time, catering from a child of 7 years to an adult of 80. And it's your typical Mirch Masala film with action, romance, comedy. It's got me in a double role in the first time. I'm romancing the hunky Zaid and Sahir Shroff. So I've got not one but two sexy heroes, and they're both looking hot. And the first day I saw Zaid on the set, I was like, wow, what has Shahid done to him? You know, it was. You can have a really good body, you can be very good looking, but if you don't have the correct designer in our field to make you complement that, you can completely not come across all the hard work that you put into the gym. So.
If you could describe Shahid in one word, what word would that be?
I can't say one word because he's so many things. He's a best friend, he's a complete person, he's a good human being, and he's a fantastic designer. And he's someone I go back 15 years with, so that's a relationship that not many can replace.
Amisha, talking about Diwali is nearby, so if you have to gift anybody, any actor or a place,
well, I would probably gift my partner Kunal Guma something from Shahid's collection for Diwali. Why would I go far? I'd keep it in the family.
Thank you.